All right, so we are now moving on to constructing transformations. So actually using the compass and a straight edge to make these things happen. So let's first talk about a reflection. Remember, a reflection flips over something. So essentially this line is in the middle. So we want to create something that is in the middle of B and its image and A and its image. So it's actually really easy to do. It's 3 quick arcs. So you put your compass point at whatever point you're trying to do. Okay. You need to extend it so it goes past the line, and you make an arc. Now, the distance from here to this point and the distance from here to this point are the same. So if I come over here and put my compass point where the intersections are, and I make a little swipe, that distance is the same, and this distance is the same. So I now have this point here the same distance away from the line as the original. And that's what all the directions are saying. So we get A prime there. Okay. So again, we can do the same thing with B. I'm just going to change the color so it's a little bit easier to see. Okay, so if I start at B, again, I just need to make sure that I'm going to extend past the line. So there I am. And I go to the first point of intersection, make an arc. Second point of intersection, make an arc. And that would be B prime. And then don't just leave it like that. You were actually supposed to construct the segment, so you do want to grab a straight edge and connect the 2 points. Just like that. All right. The other construction that you can do is a translation. So a translation, grab my compass again. A translation moves something. So you need to first figure out how far you're moving it, which is always going to be given to you. You can't construct a translation unless you make up your own without having been given what they want to translate it by. So as you can see, they want A to go here. So A to go to its image, A prime. So that's the distance that we're moving everything. So basically, A is going that far. So I grab that distance that they gave me. And I need B to go the same distance. And I need C to go the same distance. So as you can see, I'm just copying that distance first. Now the thing is, I have no idea where on this arc B and C should be. So change my color here to help. I need to figure out where it would be. And I do that by measuring the sides. So if I measure from A to B, that's the length of that segment. So if I come back over to the image of A and I make an arc, the red and the black intersect. Same thing with A and C. If I set up my compass so that it's the length of AC, and then I go to the image of A, the image of C is going to cross the red line that I already made. And that's how you do a translation. So B prime, C prime. And it really is that easy. You're just constructing the 2 transformations, a reflection and a translation. We can construct a rotation, but we don't do it simply because you're not given access to a protractor on the Common Core exam, and you would need the protractor in order to do it. And a dilation we will do in a different chapter. So there are the 2 constructions that you need to be able to do. Have a great day, and I'll see you in class.